thank you everyone to join us. Yes, Ola.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Wesley. Thank you, Oliver, and to everyone who joined us today. We are recording this video and this presentation. We're going to be making available for those who were registered and for those who attended today's presentation as well. If you have any question, if you'd like to talk to us directly, please, as I said before, connect with us on social media. Send us an email to sales@ABIelectronics.co.uk. ABI has distributors in all, in most parts of the world, in most countries of the world, so we can have someone local talking to you in your local language as well. We have information available in multiple languages, so if you'd like to learn more about the system or a particular functionality, English is not your first language, that's not a problem. Just send us a quick email in your own native language. We'll be able to translate, and we'll be able to get you assistance in your own country or in your own language. Okay, we're going to be trying our best. All right, and today's presentation, as we mentioned at the beginning, was about taking a PCB, a brand new PCB, and making it last, as long as possible. And this is what we do here at ABI. This is what we've been doing for decades. For 37 years, we've been innovating. ABI is the leader in the electronics fault finding and diagnostic equipment, and we are, at the forefront of the engineering development for these particular type of applications. And this is what we do well here. And what we have managed to do over the last several years is to avoid, tons of electronic PCBs from being discarded, from ending up in the landfills, and we take pride of that. And we are the company who launched the Repair Don't Waste movement. So if you want to Google #Repair Don't Waste, you're going to be finding probably 3,000 references of companies using our systems, how they are using our systems, and how they're benefiting from doing so. Okay, so if you have any questions from quality control through to maintenance, repair, service, come and talk to us. We want to understand more about your requirements and help you succeed.